So today, I've been watching one of my favorite stocks, and it's probably one of your favorite stocks as well, and a little stock called Nvidia. And right now, it's trading at 145. It's in some change. It's breaking all these records. Almost. I'm not sure what the high was today. It's still, well, the trading day ended, but it's still in after hours. It's still moving up. It looks like. Um, they're just, I think there's some positive news up to earnings. They're really, we're rooting on their earnings report. I think they're going to do good there like always. And yeah, like I'm saying, this Nvidia has really been an anchor to my portfolio. It's been pushing a lot of my different holdings that I have that are, and it's helping bring up my portfolio and breaking records there. And I think there's just more room to run for this stock to go. I mean, there's plenty of room. It's broke a lot of the highs, but it's just, I think it's just going to continue to run up to like the 160, even the 200 range, and just keep going further. I think it has so much more room to run. And there wasn't really much news, but I think there's just so much promise on earnings. That's why it's running up, and it's just the momentum. You're almost in a momentum trade right now, but it's a tr- a company that has so much great fundamentals with all the running with the chip sector that it's in, and they're just winning the game there so much that they have no barely any competition. So it's just a given there. It's easy to throw money into the video, and you're gonna just be fine down the road, double and triple your money. But from where it goes from there, who knows? But it's still up in the air. I just think that it could hit 150 and then just keep going higher, and then who knows if it retraces back to where the old highs that it was before down the road. It's a very good possibility that it could. And so yeah, like everybody else, like it's it's the main driver of my portfolio. It's except for like Palantir and Tesla and stuff like that. But it's right now where it's at. I think it's up 4% today, and yeah, there's plenty more room for it to run and help your portfolios that are. The only thing that I did, I kind of goofed down. Like I have Nvidia in different portfolios. Like one account have this much, and another have this much, and then another this much. Yeah, I wish I would have combined them all and do some like cover call writing on stuff like that on the video, but I didn't do that. I kind of mixed it up there. But I'm still DCAing into the video and just one of my accounts, just like daily buying there. So yeah, that's the plan, just to keep doing the DCA into the video. And one time I had stopped it, but I've never really, every month I've always contributed something into the video. But I was buying big lump sums at a time. But now I'm just doing my DCA and holding on to, maybe even I might consolidate some of my stocks that aren't doing that favorable and put it into the video. But it's really the video and Palantir, and then I have of course Tesla and a few others that I'm really my go-to DCAs. But you it's the video. It's not really one, like if you're a trader, it's not really one for that. It's just a buy and hold for me years down the road, and who knows how much it's gonna, how many X's you're gonna get, if it's gonna 10X or, yeah, I don't know how great it's gonna. They're at a $3 trillion company right now, and I don't know if it's gonna double that to 6 trillion or, well, we'll see. I think it's just right now it's a pure momentum trade almost play. But of course, long term, I'm not really talking about trading as far as the video is concerned, but just a long-term buy and hold. So I have it, and I'm just gonna keep DCA into it every day. And there was some worry about the chip sector and all that, but I'm not really concerned about it. About the new chip that's coming out, they had some, I think that was last earnings that they beat everything, but of course they're just like so much expectation into Nvidia, like even they keep raising the bar and what it needs to, hoops that it has to go to keep rallying forward. And I think that they really they set those bars so high, but it's just like it's stuff that they already knew about. And so like what do you expect? It's not really, it's just the beginning. It's just a little part of their earnings, this new chip that's coming out. It hasn't even, it's a fraction of it, but the market's always looking into the future, is concerned there. And I think that's why they had a little dip after earnings, but it's like it takes a little hit, but it just the train's going to keep rolling with Nvidia, and I think it's just going to keep going further, beating those earnings, and keep knocking out of the park until something else, until like they get some more competition that's around. And I don't see it there yet. I don't see any competition anytime soon there. But yeah, I don't know what the estimates or anything like that, but yeah, I mean as much as they're talking about earnings, it's like hyping about that today. I don't know why, but it's like it's still November 21st is the earnings date, so it's still a month away. So they're still, I guess it's a slower news day, so they're just talking that up. And then but I think it's just going up because it's Nvidia. It's going up. It's like just the momentum of everything, how strong that company is, and how the earnings that they've had, how strong of, you just really can't knock them down as far as their potential and what they've already done before. So they've already proven themselves. So it's kind of like they're riding forward on their momentum. And I think it's going to continue to go forward. There's not really any resistance here or anything like that, and it's just it's all sky ahead. There's no, I guess when resistance, they always say resistance, once you break through resistance becomes support. So I don't know, like support is around just around like where it is, a little bit below where it is right now. So yeah, like the 130s and stuff like that. It has these, it was hitting a bunch of times around this area, and then it finally broke through it. So it'd be interesting, like that you're probably gonna get some retests where it retests the lows, whatever the lows were. It's like a few points from here, like 10 points down from here. But yeah, I may retest that and then keep going higher. But yeah, the Nvidia is kind of like the sky's the limit right now. I don't see anything stopping it. So I'm just gonna keep doing my DCA and make the video continue to be my anchor into my portfolios. And really, yeah, it is the go-to stock. It's like I have some Robinhood, some in M1, and some in E-Trade, and then, but really it's like, man, they're all crushing it. I think E-Trade need to pick up the pace there. And but yeah, I need to, they're just crushing it compared to other stocks. It's just what Nvidia is doing. It's like you almost want to put all your money in Nvidia. But yeah, you gotta diversify and mix it up. And But yeah, Nvidia and then Palantir. Those are my go-to, and then of course Tesla. But so we'll see there. Yeah, like I'm saying, this is an anchor in my portfolio. It probably should be yours as well. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion here. But yeah, I think it's breaking through all these support levels, and I think it's the sky's the limit kind of here. And then in these old support are gonna be resistance. So I mean it's gonna be able to floor there. So could be on its way to 200 and the way it's looking. But that's just my thought. So I'm just gonna keep buying, DCAing into Nvidia. But yeah, this is just my opinion here, not a financial advisor like that or anything like that. But if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. And peace. I'll see you guys later.